Hey everyone, another update in the loft. I was just banding these two. Not gonna put a band on this guy yet. This guy is banded. He is 635 CPFA. Oops. These are official bands from the CPFA of Canada. I'm not in the racing union yet, but hopefully next year if I can start to race, but there's no club near me, which is the issue. And one lofting is a little expensive for me. I don't have a job yet, so can't really afford it. Yeah. Somebody's visiting me right now. Hey. Hey. She's adorable. Don't peck me. Don't poop. And there she goes. Say bye. He's pecking the camera. Yeah, so saving the one bead under here till probably tomorrow. I'm gonna write it down right away anyway. So I wrote down the... Where do I set this? Okay. So I wrote down... So I just made this on my own thing. So, father, mother. So this is Tess, the yellow hen. Full Jansen hen. And she is BD 161. And Simon, my expensive cock, he is this thing. Not gonna read that out. And then he's full Belgium. Imported Belgium, to be exact. I just made this up so I can keep track. It's not professional or anything. So then, this is date of hatch. And, yeah, so color and band number. And then later on, sex. I forgot what band number they were. Okay, whoops. 635. This is the banded one. So, they were both hatched on the same day, surprisingly. Yeah, they're definitely not the same size. See if I can get the pen to work. 6, 5, and then 6, 3, 6. It's hard to write with one hand. And it's not on a flat surface. P. This is embarrassing. Don't get mad at me in the comments. So I have this funny story. I was trying to find a new home for that little Amelie. And guess what happened to me? I posted him on a pigeon rescue page. And blah, blah, blah. Every single I mentioned that he's a pure, his father is a pure imported Belgium. And his mother is a pure old Jansen. And, well, I said I would give him to a breeder, because that's only use other than a pet. And, well, every single person that commented, except for one person who apologized to me. So this pigeon, everybody said, pigeon racing is terrible, you're torturing the birds. Vets even have confirmed it. It's too hard on their bodies. I'm like, dude, have you tried it? And, well, yeah, I got a bunch of angry emojis and, sending links of how bad pigeon racing is. And I have friends that do it, and I know they don't do this. And it's just crazy. I would love to get into racing sometime soon, but I just can't afford one-off racing. And, well, I think my birds would do fine. Like, she was like always the first one home from, I don't know, quite a distance. She was always the first one home by far, and she always led the group, so, but I sold all the rest of them, except for her, because she's just too special to sell. And then Squeaky here, she was a test subject. I got these guys last fall, and I wanted to test and see how their young was. So they got a set of babies out in middle of winter, and yeah, I had to hand raise them, but it was worth it. Huh, Squeaky? Gotta find you a better name. Aww. Yeah, and that grizzle hen there. Someone was saying that thought that I had only one sweet grizzle hen, but that hen over there, she's not so sweet. She's the little scaredy pants. I got her from a racer. She's raced a whole season. I was gonna use her for a color project. I wanted to get a bunch of that black and white up there, black pied or whatever you want to call it. He's cooing it right now at a hen. That one. Yeah. I don't know if it's like a black saddleback or... But he's my favorite bird. Hey, buddy. He's my foundation bird. I picked him out. I thought he was a hen. The breeder thought he was a hen. But yeah, it's the first bird I picked out. So. Oh. Yeah, baby. That's not your nest box, buddy. No, 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 no. Your job is those babies. Yeah, well, thanks y'all for watching. Gotta go to, I don't know what it's called, but some sort of, I don't know. Yeah, but thanks for watching, and say bye, Squeaky. Bye.